Electric vehicles are no longer just a trend, they're the future of transportation. As we approach 2025, the automotive industry is experiencing a revolution. Electric cars are becoming faster, smarter, more affordable, and more sustainable than ever before. Today, we'll explore the most innovative electric cars of 2025. The Tesla Cybertruck continues to break the mold when it comes to electric vehicles. With up to 800 horsepower and 0-60 in just 2.9 seconds, this isn't just a pickup truck, it's a futuristic, all-electric beast with over 500 miles of range. The BMW M3 brings luxury and performance into the EV world. With 286 horsepower and 285 miles of range, it offers the perfect combination of luxury and practicality. The Rivian R1S is designed for adventure lovers who want off-road capabilities. With 750 horsepower and quad-motor system, it's perfect for those who want an electric vehicle that can handle tough terrains. The Nissan Leaf. Nismo combines eco-friendly driving with performance thrills. 226 horsepower and 270-mile range in a package that doesn't sacrifice fun for sustainability. The BYD Atto 3 offers impressive value with 400 miles of range. Starting around $35,000, it's a practical choice for families and city dwellers. 2025 electric cars feature revolutionary improvements in battery technology, offering longer ranges and faster charging times than ever before. Many 2025 models offer advanced autonomous driving capabilities, plus seamless integration with smartphones and AI assistants. The future promises solid-state batteries that are lighter, faster charging, and longer lasting, with expanding global charging networks making long-distance EV travel more convenient. Automakers are using sustainable materials and eco-friendly processes, making electric vehicles more environmentally friendly than ever. 2025 is a turning point for electric vehicles. Whether you want high performance, luxury, adventure capability, or affordability, there's an electric vehicle for everyone. Which electric vehicle are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the electric car revolution.